Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to make your threads profile to be public. Alright, so if you accidentally make your profile private, or if you did it intentionally and you want to make it public, it's very easy guys. But I would like to let you know that by default your threads profile is public, so you can only make it public if you made it private before, right? So how can you do it? It's very easy guys. So if you want to make it public, all you have to do guys is to head to your profile just like this. So this is my profile. By the way, if you want to go to your profile, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then once you write in your profile, click on the two lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then you find the privacy option right there. Click on it, and at the top you find this private profile option. So once this is turned on just like this, you know your profile is private, so you can turn it you can make it public by turning it off just like this, and then click on OK. And as you can see right now, my profile is public. All right, so I can head back to my profile. So this is my profile, so anyone who comes to my profile can be able to see my post. So guys, this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.